rainy days with clouds so gray, a heavy feeling lingers, won't go away. Raindrops fall like tears from the sky, their gentle rhythm soothes as they pass by. In this downpour of emotions, I seek the light. Through the misty haze, I'll win the fight. Though sadness lingers and longing stays, the rain's embrace will guide my ways. On these rainy days, I'll let my tears fall to cleanse my soul and heal each wall. In stormy weather, I'll find my peace, facing the pain as the raindrops increase. Raindrops dance softly on the ground, their melancholic tune, a comforting sound. Each drop whispers tales of love and loss, washing away the pain I've tossed. Through the clouds I'll find the silver lining, with hope in my heart always shining. The rain may pour, but I won't let it bring me down. I'll rise above and shed my frown. On these rainy days, I'll let my tears fall